Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, that the daily candle which is going now, it's showing something good, but till now there is big pushing from up, guys, as you see it, and from down. So the good news here, we're still inside the range of that inside bar as we said before, that one here. Until now there is no candle breaking yet down or breaking up, so as we still here sideways, and either from here we're going to go higher, guys, and we're going to break up, or either we are going to go down and we break down. And if you're watching yesterday video, I show you there is a divergence in the weekly. It's showing maybe us we are in the bottom, guys. So the bottom is very close. Even fundamental, it's showing us we are very close. But let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring for us. Till now it's still coming those news of exchanges. We don't know how it's going to end up. And like how CZ said, that is good. He said it's taken off and it's cleaner the ecosystem of cryptocurrency, and that's something very good. The only thing, guys, I tell it to you and I repeat it, try to protect yourself. Use your own wallet where you're going to have the key, because when you're going to have the key, you got your coin, guys. When you don't have any key for your wallet, you don't have any coin, because when you put them in the exchanges now, exactly those ones, they are in Western world. Majority of them, they reacting like the banks. And me explain to you the banks how they work in, because it's the same system. Now, if all the citizens, they go to the banks and they want to take it off the money of them, the bank, they will not give them the money, because the bank, they don't got money. The same thing for the exchanges. Exchange, you put for it the money, and them, they when they lend it and they try to earn money from that money you put there. So if you want to protect yourself, I told you there is 3 steps depending how much capital you have. A little bit capital, you use Binance, because Binance, it's more secure than the other exchanges, and it's something different. But for people they got a little bit of capital, medium capital, you use like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or something like that. If you got for long-term investors, buy a wallet, use it in your hand, because there is cold wallet and hot wallet, or whatever they name it. So cold wallet, it's like a driver. I'll show you the names, ledger, and all those things. I'm going to make a video about all those things soon. I just need some time, guys. I think everything is too clear here. And here I'll show you, guys, we got here that channel like that. I showed it to you before. I told you we touched the lower of it here. Now either from here we're going to go higher here. It means we're going to touch the 200 moving average, or another scenario we're going to go down. And here in the daily, guys, also we're still in a downtrend. Let me show you something very important here. As you see, and you remember that level here, now also is still under the net. It's need the market to come inside here, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. And the one here, that candle which is going now, it's just Monday candle, guys. And the volume of it is very low compared to the previous ones. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys. That one here, as you see it, we touch here, that level here. It went up till here. Now it came down. It touching that level as we drawing before, because from here last time we reverse. Now we are in it. And now in the chart it's showing a reverse, as you see it. Now should we enter, guys? No. We need the market to come and to break for us that last high here. If it doesn't break in for us that last high here, it means also we're still in a downtrend, guys. It's need to come and to break here. If it doesn't, also we're still in a downtrend. I'm talking here about short term. For long term, also we're still in a very downtrend. Look at it. The downtrend is that one. As you remember, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, look at it. The market, he tried to give us here a new pattern, guys. You see it or no? Look here and look here. It tried to give us here a new pattern. Give us here a triangle, guys. Should we buy here? Not yet, guys. It hasn't been broken. And that's what me have been telling you here. When it fell down here, I told you it need to bounce and to give us at least like that. And now, yes, if it came and breaking high, we can enter long, guys. But we need to make a close eye at that level here, what the market is going to do here at that one. Because if it's break it, we're going to go till the 200 moving average, guys. And here, let's see it. In our chart, what we got, we still have here that downtrend here, and that level here, it's still reacting like a very stronger support, guys, as you see it. When it fell to it, it came that big green candle here in the 4 hour, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what the view, me personally, I think is going to fall down again to touch here again, and after that maybe it's going to go. So all that week, maybe we're going to stay here sideways. And that week is the week of building or houses in USA, because a lot of data is going to come about the building houses in USA. So you need to make a close eye what the market is going to react to all that news. Everything is too clear. By the way, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it. Helping us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. It's not something hard. Just pause the video, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we touch here the oversold area. We came out, we stay sideways here. The market it show like here like a small falling down, but now it go back up. But here it's showing here something different, guys. You see it or no? Breaking for us the last high, which is here, guys. That hear me, I'm talking about our indicator, guys. And there is no divergence yet here, guys. There is nothing yet. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So us here, we still in the control of the bears, guys. That's what me have been telling you. It's need that one to come and to break for us here. That when us we're going to know that downtrend is changing to our uptrend. Tell now us we're still in a downtrend, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, we're still here at the oversold area. Here, the price action, it started showing us here a price action, guys, as you see it. I'll show you that one just a few minutes ago. As you see it now, it started getting clear and clear and clear. Now, what should we do, guys? As you see that price action, if the market came and breaking here high, we will enter long, guys. Take profit. What is going to be? Here at the 200 moving average. At the 200 moving average. Remember that for swing trading, guys, not for long-term trading. Long-term trading, we talked about it yesterday in the last video. We got a very, very clear divergence in the weekly, guys. So here, if it came and breaking here, that one here, a candle came and to close above that one here, we will enter long, guys. Take profit here at the 200 moving average. And I'm going to come back to you guys when the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, us, if you remember, guys, what us we enter from here. We enter long from here. We put the stop loss here. It came the market here. It's hitting for us the stop, but look what happened here. It went up. Yes or no? And here, look at that triangle us we're talking about in the 4 hours, how it's look here, guys. Look at it. You see it or not? It's look very clear here. Now if a candle came and break in here, it's going to go more higher than that, guys. But who's going to tell us what the market is going to do, guys, here is our indicators. Let's see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Now look at it here, and it's very close now to the overbought area, but there is no price action here indicating the market it might is going to reverse, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So here for scalping, we need to wait in a little bit till a price action here happening for us to make a decision to enter short or long. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.